Told you. Told you it's time for a flip. Dude, we almost done, ain't we? Ooh wee. What we got here? Got us some chicken quarters. We gonna go ahead and cut them up. Y'all see how much these only cost? So these only cost under $3. How many we got here? 5 of them. Yeah, see, this is gonna provide a good meal here. So let's go ahead and take our chicken shears and get down to business and go ahead and cut these up so we can have ourselves a custom 2-piece. So yeah, go ahead and trim it up, y'all. See, like that, a leg and a pretty thigh. Yep, once again, take that little ugly piece off as part of the back. Like that. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna finish chopping the rest of these up. We gonna throw them with a marinade. We gonna make some just good old fashioned barbecue chicken. All right, got our chicken cut up, cleaned up. We gonna make ourselves a quick marinade, barbecue marinade. Let me see, I think I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use 2 limes. How about that? All right, get our lime out the way. Squeeze that on up in here. Little citrus to add that summery flavor. And it's also gonna help tenderize this chicken. So use us some Lawry's. And we're gonna use this Kinder's brown sugar seasoning. Shawana picked this up for me. She said, try this out, baby. I was like, all right. I'm gonna give it a shot. See, I ain't even opened it yet, y'all. Fresh rub. So this way we can all try it out together. I can tell you if it's the bomb or not. So a teaspoon of Lawry's. Since this is low sodium, I think it's only like 2% sodium. So we'll do 2 tablespoons of that, you know, for 10 pieces of chicken. And, you know, we need a little kick. We need a little kick. And a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And a little olive oil. All right. Let's get messy like a little child. Let's get messy like a little child. This rub actually smells good. All right. Getting it all together. Just like that, y'all. We getting that flavor all over this chicken. Oh yeah, that's gonna produce a nice color as well. So we're gonna go ahead, seal this up, throw it in the refrigerator for about an hour, get the smoker going, and get cooking. Got our chicken. Delicious chicken. Got this bad boy running hot. Applewood. Legs and thighs. See? See how that color looking already? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. It's barbecue, baby. We barbecue. Yeah, flip it, you know, we don't want it to burn. Yeah, it's coasting along nicely. Yeah. All right. We'll be back. Flip it some more. Flippity flip, flip, flip. Told you. Told you it's time for a flip.
Lord. I know.
Dude, we almost done, ain't we? Oh, well. Ooh-wee. Ah. Whoa. Ah. All right, y'all. We ain't got too long to go. Yep. Just like that. Looking good. I like the way that look. Two-piece dars, legs and thighs, off the grill. Yes, Lord. Live fire. All this chicken, y'all. Y'all saw how much it cost? $3.
$3.
I ain't selling it for that much, though.
So
Looks so delicious. Let's see what we got, y'all. Baby, let's go fast and barbecue. At Mom and them house. Cousin Joe and them. Ooh, it's special. The barbecue sauce. Tastes good plain. Now let's see how it tastes with the sauce.
your homemade sauce. Do that dip.
And you hear that crunch? That crunch coming over there? Oh, man. Yeah, baby. All right. I'm going to start acting a fool. I'm about to eat me up some chicken, legs, and thighs, baby. Check this out. Y'all saw how we did this? I used applewood. I had it cranking at 275 degrees. Roughly, what, about an hour and a half, baby? Hour and a half. Deliciousness. What I did was just two flips. Not too many flips. Because my baby said, all right, now, this ain't no steak. You ain't got to do that many flips on the chicken. I said, okay. All right. All right, tap the like button. Hit the subscribe, share. Come on back next time. We're going to cook up something good. Appreciate y'all. Peace and love.